Old Dell Court, Old D as in dog, D-L-L Court.
So awkward. Oh, well then. What are you thinking about? If there's two things that go together, that would be power outage and a freaked out child.
About 5 minutes, and then, well, it's probably total 10 minutes now, but it came back on about 5 minutes later, but everything was flickering.
There is an outage in the area.
Okay.
We are aware of it and working on it.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, that explains everything. Don't do that. What are you doing, Mom? No, let's not do that. When's the fire alarm gonna do that thing again? That's not cool. I know, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. It's too freaking cool on YouTube. Yeah, keep it for ourselves. Be like, oh, watch this series. Oh, I almost dropped the thing. We're still waiting. Wait, now I see something. Nope. Not working.
Stop, sir.
Stop what? Stop what?
Stop, like, doesn't this work?
Why?
All right, so, okay.